This is my virtual manipulative video for Math 205 in the summer of 2015. I'll be using the virtual manipulative algebra balance scales for negatives from the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. It teaches students how to solve linear equations by putting each side on the two sides of a balance scale in order to balance the equation which solves for x. So this specific manipulative helps students when they're first adding negatives into these equations, helping them understand that what you do to one side you have to do to the other. So in this particular problem we're going to be solving 3x minus 3 equals negative x plus 1. So we know that the first thing in solving this problem that you need to do is add x to both sides, giving you 4x minus 3 equals 1. Then the next thing you would need to do is add 3 to each side, giving you 4x equals 4. And then you would continue and divide by 4, giving you x equals 1. So for a struggling student not understanding how to solve these particular equations, you could have them use this virtual manipulative. So you take each side of the equation and put it on each side of a balance scale. So the first side is 3x minus 3, and we have blocks here to represent positive numbers and balloons to represent negative numbers. So on the first one you're going to drag 3 x's to that side and then 3 negative 1's to that side. And then on the next side we have negative x plus 1, so here's the negative x balloon, and then you add 1. And then you push continue, and then it asks you what you need to do to both sides. So from our equation solving here, we know that the first thing we need to do is add x to both sides. And you push go, and then that shows you that you get 4x minus 3 equals 1, just like we did. And then the next thing you would do is add 3 to both sides, giving you x equals 4, just like we had as well. And then there's a button over here to push divide. Divide both sides by 4, go, and it gives you x equals 1. And this shows a student how the equation is balanced and helps them understand how to solve linear equations. Thank you.